All right, class, our last job for today is to put our words in the lesson section of our notebook. So we're on page 42. We're going to be on the bottom left-hand quarter of our page, and this is H-3. We're on list H, and this is the third day, so H-3. All right, so each word gets its own line. All right, our first word is around, class. How do we say around to spell it? Good, A-round. How many syllables? Good, 2. Our first syllable is what kind of syllable? Good, an open syllable. And which ow do we use in A-round? Good, ow, o, oo, Go ahead and write A-round and then mark it. If you want to do it on your practice paper first, that's just fine. All right, here it is. Make sure yours looks like this. Remember, we're getting away from the thinking cap on this because we see it so often. All right, our next word is between. Between. Let's see. How many syllables in between? Good. The first syllable is what kind of syllable? Good, an open syllable. And in the second syllable, tween, which E do we use? All right, if you said E-double-E, you are right. Go ahead and write and mark between. Say the sounds while you're writing them. So write it, then mark it. All right, if you haven't done it yet, pause the video. All right, go ahead and check it. Check your work. Great, let's keep going. All right, the next word is beside. What's the word? Good, beside. How many syllables? Good, 2. The first syllable is what kind of syllable? Good, it's an open syllable. And in the second syllable, how do we make our I-E say I? Good, with a silent final E, job 1. Go ahead and mark or write beside, say the sounds, and then mark it. All right, if you haven't finished, pause the video. Make sure yours looks like this. All right, the next word is behind. What's the next word? Good, behind. How many syllables? Good, 2 syllables. What's the first syllable? Good, B. And what kind of syllable is that? Good, an open syllable. And in our second syllable, what's the second syllable? Good, hind. What lets our I-E say I? All right, I hope we heard that there were 2 consonant sounds after it. So there's only one thing that could be, and that's I and O, may say I and O, when followed by 2 consonants. All right, go ahead and write behind and then mark it. All right, the next word is thumb, but how do we say thumb to spell it? Good, we say thumb, thumb. Go ahead and write that and then mark it. All right, if you're not finished, pause the video. All right, our last word is finger. How do we say it to spell it? Good, finger. Finger. What's the first syllable? Good, fin. And the second syllable? Good, ger. And which do we use? Good, the of her. Mark it. Check it. All right. Nice job today, class. I will see you tomorrow.